Okay, once again, good morning, student. Let's we continue our third chapter of civics, electoral politics. Dear student, in last lecture, we also discussed about why election important in democratic country. In last lecture, we also discussed about different feature of democratic election. Of course, in our country, large population, people not able sit together and take collective decisions. And we also discuss about lack of education, knowledge, desire. So India adopt a method of representative form of democracy. In today's lecture, in this lecture, we also discuss about election, democratic and non-democratic. Dear student, in chapter first, what is democracy? Why democracy? We also studies about different feature of democratic country and non-democratic country. In non-democratic country, they also conducted election time to time, but election not according to feature of democracy. First, to take the example of China. In China, election also conducted after 5 years, proper intervals, but people have no choice. Only single political parties also participate in election procedure. So in China, election of course conducted, but not democratic way. We also studies about the example of Mexico. In Mexico, election also conducted after 6 years. But of course, in Mexico, different political parties also participate, but free chance not given by government because during the time of election, government also misuse his power. They also pressurize voters, vote cast in favor of PRI only. And we also studies about what happened in Pakistan. Of course, in Pakistan, government also elected, but major decision taken by General Pervez Musharraf and army officer. So election also conducted almost in every part of world. But some of country, election also conducted according to non-democratic way. But in our country, election also conducted completely totally based on democratic feature. What make an election democratic? Feature of democratic election. Dear student, first feature of democratic election is be everyone should be able to choose. It means that everyone should have one vote and every vote should have equal values. In democracy, this is the main feature of democracy. During the time of election, every people have equal rights and every people also use his vote during the time of election. No one discriminate according to caste, according to gender, religion and wealth. In our country, every women have equal voting right as per men. No one discriminate. No another peoples discriminate in our society according to caste and religion. So India adopt a method of good feature of democracy. And in our country, every people have equal right to vote and vote value is be equal. Vote value not discriminate as per rich and poor peoples. We already discussed about one of example in chapter first, Fiji, where the vote value also more than to be another peoples. Fiji peoples have more values, their vote, when they compare to the another peoples also like Indians. So this is system is the democracy equal treatment, equal treat to everyone. This is the first basic feature of democracy. Second, there should be something to choose. Yes, student, in democracy, the party and candidate should be free to contest election and should offer some real choice to the voters. We also aware about during the time of election, many political parties also participate. Many candidates in our society take part in election procedure. So government also, our election system also give to free chance to contest in election, and people have choice to choose their representative according their need. No one pressurize him to vote cast in particular candidate into particular political party. So this is the another important feature of democracy. Next, the choice should be offered at regular intervals. Election must be held regular after every few years. In our country, elections also conducted after proper regular intervals. After 5 years, we also aware about 2004 election, 2009 election after 5 years, after 9, 14, after 14 is the 19. So in our country, election also conducted after proper intervals, after 5 years for state assembly election and central government election also. The candidate preferred by the people should get elected. Student, we also aware about in democracy, this is the most important feature of democracy. Candidate also elected by peoples, and elected candidate also use his power after electing. So this is the important feature of democracy. We also aware about in Pakistan, after declaration of election in Pakistan, Pakistani peoples also elect many representatives, but representative have no power. Maximum power used by General Musharraf and army officer. So this is the not a feature of democracy. According to good feature of democracy, according to good feature of election procedure, elected representative also use his power. Means they also elected by peoples. They also preferred by peoples. So they use their power according their position. Elections should be conducted in a free and fair manner. The people can choose as they really wish. This is the another important feature of democracy. Election also conducted in a free and fair manner. Means in election, every person take part in election procedure as a candidate and as a voter. Being as a candidate, no big political parties also pressurize any individual candidate during the time of election. Government and election commission also make different rule and regulation. And every individual and political parties also follow this rule and regulation during the time of election. Election commission also limit use of money during the time of election to conduct free and fair election. And in election, every people also participate according its choice. Voters also use his vote according his choice. No one pressurize him to vote cast in favor of this particular person. Next is B, various form of political competition. This is the another important part of electoral competition. Political competition in political parties. We also aware about competition also play important role in every field. We also aware about competition in our classroom. Healthy competition also important. Competition in our playground. So competition also play important role in political system also. So different form of competition in political system. First, competition among several candidates for the party ticket. Dear student, we also aware about during the time of election. Political party, big political parties also offered ticket to different candidates. So at the time of distribution of party tickets, many candidates also fight to get this ticket to take part in election procedure. So at this time, competition among the several candidates. Some is be lucky, those are get to be for this ticket to take part in election procedure. Some also deny for this ticket also. So competition among the different political party during the time of election. Competition for top position in the party. Many times we also noticed One of the most important example at present in Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, competition between CM and Deputy CM, Ashok Gehlot and Sachin Pilot, and both are also want to control political system in particular Rajasthan state, and both are also want to achieve top position in his political party. So start conflict between CM and Deputy CM. So many times we also observe, this is not example of Rajasthan, in different state also, in Haryana also, during the time of election. We are also aware about start conflict in Congress party. So of course, every political leader also want to achieve top position in his political parties. Every political leaders. So competition in the same political party to achieve top position in his party. Another competition is be among the political parties. During the time of election, we are also aware about in central level, in state level, competition between different political parties. At present, competition between BJP and Congress party in central level. We also aware about, we also noticed many times different news, in newspaper and in TV channels also. Congress party also criticize Bharatiya Janata Party because Bharatiya Janata Party also take any decisions. Opposition political party also start to criticism. So this is the competition in central level, in state level between different political parties, and this competition also make healthy system in politics, and government also pay attention for the betterment of community and country also. Another competition between several candidates at constituency level. Student, we also aware about during the time of election. For example, state assembly election in Haryana. Haryana divided 90 different constituency according to state assembly election. Panipat also divide two different constituency, Panipat city and Panipat outer. In Panipat outer, you also aware about presently representative is be Mahipal Dhanda. But before election, during the time of election, not a single candidate to fight in this constituency. Many another candidate also. So competition among the different candidate in same constituency. Finally, we elect our one representative. So this is competition, and this competition also play important role in democracy. So if there is no competition, election will become pointless. We are also aware about what happened in North Korea, what happened in China. In China, single political party system. There are no opposition political party. So election is be totally pointless. We are aware about only one political party is also elect in this competition because no competitor. And same happened also in North Korea. Single person and vote cast is be compulsory. 99.9% vote cast during the time of election. But what is the meaning of election in North Korea? Is be totally pointless. There are no competition among different political party. Single person also participate in election. So competition also play important role in democracy for the betterment of democracy, for the growth of democracy. Now we also discuss about some disadvantage of political competition. Of course, competition play important role, but some demerit of political competition in our country. Many times we are not take healthy system in competition, this type of competition in our society. So competition also plays some negative roles, especially in Indian societies. It creates a sense of disunity and factionalism in every localities. During the time of election, political parties also mobilize peoples, vote cast in favor of this political party, and they also use the method of caste and religion. According to this caste and religion, our society is also disunited, not united. We also divided. And we also notice this kind of example after election. So societies also divide. People's not believe to each other. One community not believe to another communities. So this competition also divide our society. And another important effect on our society is the societies during the time of election. Many political leaders change their political parties. Before election, they also part of one of political party. A political party not offered to ticket, he also changed his political group, political party, and joined to be another political party. So according his action is been not healthy for democracy, for the promotion of democracy. Different political party and leader often put to be allegation against one another. We are so aware about during the time of election, during the time of any public meeting, any rallies, political parties also start to allegation to each other. In 2019 election campaigning, Congress party also alleged to Bharatiya Janata Party on surgical strike, and recently government, BJP government also give to some evidence related to be this surgical strike. So during the time of election, political parties also alleged to each other. They use different kind of languages also. We also aware about. Modi ji also said to be Rahul Gandhi as a Rajkumar, and Rahul Gandhi also start to be pronunciation to be Modi ji चौकीदार चोर है. So this type of allegation to each other during the time of election. And during the time of election, political parties and candidates often use dirty tricks to win the election. Almost every political party and candidate use many dirty tricks. They also use money. They also bribe voters, vote cast in favor of this particular political party. During the time of election, many times, powerful political leaders also pressurize to weaker section of the society to vote cast in favor of particular this political party and candidate. So this dirty trick also used during the time of election. Pressure to win electoral fight does not allow to sensible long-term policies to be formulated. Of course, this trick also, they also want to achieve their power, but this is not sensible for long-term policies. Of course, one time they also win in the election according to this dirty tricks, this pressure system, but this is not a long-term policies. Of course, in next election, this kind of person also lose election. But some good people who may wish to serve the country do not enter this field. Student, we also aware about one of the most famous person in India, Anna Hazare. Anna Hazare also start movement against India against corruption. But Anna Hazare not participate in any political party and not take help any political party during his movement. We are better aware about this system because Anna Hazare also dislike political system in our country because political system is a just as a game, and every political parties also want to win the election, use any kind of tricks. So Anna, many, not be Anna Hazare, many people also not like this political competition in democratic countries. They also dislike. According to this political competition, our society is also divided. Political parties also start to allegation to each other. They use dirty tricks. So according this method, our society is also divided. So they are not in favor of this kind of political system. But this political competition also healthy. Some advantage also, merit of this political competition also. Because if there are no competition, so what is the meaning of election? So during the time of election, regular electoral competition provide incentive to political party and leaders. We are also aware about last two elections, Bharatiya Janata Party also continue in central government. So this is the incentive of political party. We choose again Narendra Modi as the Prime Minister of India. Before Bharatiya Janata Party, Congress government in center, two time 2004 to 9 and 9 to 14. So this is the incentive of political party and leaders, because people also like their policies. They also elect again. So this is possible according to political competition. They know that if they raise issues that people want to be elect again, and popularity and chance of the victory will be increased in the next election. If they fail, they cannot be win the next election. This student we are so aware about. If political parties also not do any work in favor of country, in favor of society and public, of course, we change our representative in next election. So political competition make the popularity of individual candidate and political parties. We also aware about presently BJP government also take many steps. So according to this step, of course, Bharatiya Janata Party is the popular political party. At this time, we elect this kind of representative and different leaders also. So competition give the chance to this political party remain again in its power. If any party is motivated only by desire to be in power, because every political parties also need to become powerful, come into power, form government, even then it will be forced to serve the people. And another political group, according to political competition, they also force them, they also take care of public, they do some work in favor of countries. So this is possible according to competition. Political competition may cause to division and ugliness, but it finally helped to force political party and leader to serve people. Student, we are so aware about. Of course, political system also divide our societies, use different illegal system during the time of election. But this competition also play important role. According to this competition, political party and leaders also take care of our society, because they are also aware about if they not focus on public welfare scheme, of course they lose election in next time. So this is important in democracy. So remaining part of this chapter, we continue our next lecture.